makes me mad, guys. Belt just kicked off. There we go. Don't do that. So yeah, that's the hot rod. You got okay. Hold up, guys. I need to do something real quick. I need to put on my little load because it is cold outside today. Yeah, it's cold outside today, so yeah. There you go. That's much better. Give you a walk through the shop. Here is our shop, wood burning stove, drill press. Yeah, that's there. And I don't think you will know what the front of this car is, just so you know, but if you look back here you might know. It's a muscle cart. It's a Firebird, yep. This is a 68 Firebird right here. That is a 1984 Chevrolet Scottsdale. It's one of those old Detroit diesel motors. It's a 6.2. It's worked pretty good. It's just they've just been sitting in here. Got a hoist up there. So yeah, there's a bunch of parts in here. Under here is a bored out 283 Chevrolet motor, a bored out 283. It's a 302. We're gonna right here's the quadra jump carburetor. Intake manifold. We still have to do a lot of stuff to get this ready, like valve cover, gasket, bolts, stuff like that, where you get a camshaft, some lifters. I think we should need to get a high performance or like a oil pan. I think that's what it's called. Where that's so if you do a bunch of donuts and crazy stuff, they won't get low oil pressure. So yeah, this does work. Yep, everything works down here. Bunch of tools. That was the old 2-speed transmission, and this is a power. That's a power glide. This is a turbo 350 transmission. There's one front fender, and somewhere back here, guys, there is the grill. A bunch of Mercedes parts down here. So it's got here's one seat. So we just need to get this thing rolling. And which it is. You see, there's nothing there. And the thing is there. Yeah. There's a crankshaft for I think a Chevy V8. There's one of the doors. Yeah. Here's the hot rod back there. Need to find a way to mount this. I don't think that would work. Oh, I cracked my phone case dropping this thing on the ground earlier. So, hey guys, that's it.